Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing my everyday makeup look using my most favorite American Woman beauty products. I am heading into work soon, so we are starting off 5 a.m. and fresh with some skincare. I am taking extra care of those places that get seasonal dryness. To depuff in the morning, I'm using a chilled roller. Jumped into my work clothes and I'll be starting off my makeup with the brow pomade in Deep Brown by AWB. Moving on to concealer and brightening, we'll be using the Camouflage Cover Cream in Light Amber. I do love this concealer. It's creamy, it's smooth, and a little goes a very long way. As usual, I'm using my fingertips to tap it onto my skin. This warms up the product and allows it to adhere smoothly. And good thing this technique is a golden classic because I am too lazy to wash my brushes. So if you haven't already noticed, it's brightened up my under eyes drastically. I have also added the concealer to areas of natural redness and where I get hyperpigmentation. I love this concealer because it's smooth, a little goes a long way, and it's medium to full coverage when you want it to be. I can nicely layer it onto my blemishes to completely cover it up and still show my freckles and other natural spots in other areas. Next up, we are coming in with a darker shade of concealer. Next up, we have the Perfect Coverage Concealer in Honeysuckle. That'll contour my nose. I'm going in to set that highlight and places I've concealed with the Baked Mineral Color Tones Foundation in Simply Beige. As a note, I have an olive complexion, which means that I can use warm products sometimes or cool products sometimes, maybe both. So I do love these concealers and foundation. Going into the next phase, which is curling my eyelashes and doing my eyeliner. Here I'll be using a brown eyeliner, winging it out a little bit, and then I guess I was frustrated every single time I put down my mirror, could not find it. Anyway, we'll be winging it out, filling it in, and then tightlining it as I usually do. I'd say that I've been using a brown eyeliner more so than a black eyeliner for the last few years. This is not an AWB product, but I'm waiting for them to come out with theirs. I do love a very black mascara. I don't have many lashes, so I want it as thick and dark as possible. Here I am using AWB's Waterproof Long Lash Mascara in black. My lashes grow out straight down and they'll stay that way if I don't use a waterproof formula. Other than being waterproof, I like this product because it has a short wand, making it a lot easier to maneuver. I have been using this product so much since AWB sent it to me, I think last year, and I use it for everything and every season. Again, with the finger tapping motions, I am going to take this product, which is the Cream Cheek and Lip Tint in the color Free Woman. I'll be adding it to my cheeks and going upward on the ridge of my cheeks toward my eyes. I also like to take whatever's left over and put it onto my lids. And before adding my lip color, I wanted to have some of my morning coffee. Best part. I usually just wear lip balm for my everyday makeup look, but it's the holidays. So we'll be going in with a liquid to matte lipstick in Natural Woman. I absolutely love this product, and as a reminder to everyone, every good lip product needs a well-hydrated base. Now, I was not lying when I said I use this cream cheek and lip tint for everything. So I'm adding it on top of the Natural Woman Liquid to Matte lipstick to create a more rosy color. And that is all for my everyday makeup look. I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Back to my coffee before I head out, and I don't know what it is about makeup videos and blowing kisses, but